you today. Today I'm going to show you one of the famous recipes or famous dish in our Malaysia Chinese restaurant. That is ekoba fried, or we call mantis prawn stir fry, or in bahasa they call udang lipan. Correct? So today I'm going to show you how to stir fry it, and I show you as well how to clean that mantis prawn. So stay with me, see the recipes, okay? So let me clean our mantis shrimp. Here I have some. I bought about 1 kilo. So just I clean first. So now I'm showing you how to take it out the meat from this shrimp. This is I have a very sharp place, especially at the tail side. So be careful your hand. Always take care because I have many needles which can injure our fingers. So first of all, we need one plate and scissors. Scissors is particularly we need scissors to cut because we use a knife, very difficult to cut. So first of all, we cut the head first, head side, and then all the leg we take it out and slowly cut at the bottom place of under the mantis prawn, and after that we will cut in the middle. So I will show you slowly, okay? So take care of this part, it will hurt you. So be careful with this, especially the tail side. So I'm going to cut at the side first, so that it will be easy to remove the skin and take it out the meat. So try to pull slowly the meat because the meat is very soft. So try to take it out slowly and gently pull, and especially the tail side. So one is come out is fine. So this is the mantis prawn, the meat, okay? So here I prepare few for you to see, and then at the back side, and we need to remove some cuts inside. Like normal prawn we have at the top, we need to clear the waste part of the prawn, right? The same thing, we need to clear the waste part from the mantis prawn here. So this is the thing, we should take it out from the prawn, mantis prawn here. So like a prawn, this is also the waste things. So I try to clear all and show to you later. So then now after I clear all the waste things, here I want to cut into the small pieces so that easy for us to cook and to fry also. So try to cut we need what size, this and that, okay? So I have a plate and I'm going to have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here, and going to fry mantis prawn meat. So I think it's enough for coating that meat into the cornstarch, and sprinkle some little bit of salt. Don't too much, a little bit enough. So now I'm going to coating our meat together with corn flour here. Just roll it. So have a pan and sufficient oil to fry it. As usual, use the medium fire. So fry it nicely until become a golden color. Don't too over fried. If you over fried, the meat become like crunchy, but no doesn't can taste the mantis prawn meat taste. It will become a different taste already. So don't too over fried it. Because why I tell you, I faced this experience before. One time, first time I cooking of this mantis prawn, I over fried it. After become very crunchy, it's very nice. But the meat, the taste of the meat is really not nice. So since that, I try to maintaining the crispy of the meat. Don't too overcooked. So it's nearly cooked. Don't wait until the bubbles don't have, This is the correct, the meat is already almost cooked ready. So I take it out from the pan now. So here our mantis prawn meat is get ready for stir fried. It's very crispy and very fresh today. So I show you what are the ingredients for stir fry. Have a ginger, onion, garlic, and dry chili. Dry chili I took about 6 to 7 pieces and then cut into the small pieces. Of course, I use tomato today because Sharadah like to use tomato in this stir fry, and some spring onion. I have 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, light soya sauce 1 tablespoon also, and 1.5 tablespoon chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon of tomato sauce. So let me start to stir our mantis prawn meat. So have a sufficient oil and turn your heat to the medium. So start with the ginger and garlic first, okay? So now add the onion. Stir fry until it a bit turn to the light brown or light golden brown. Then we add our dry chili. Now I adding a dry chili. Stir for a while. Add the tomato. Now start we adding our dark soya sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce, tomato sauce, and light soya sauce. So all together, and then mix well until all the sauces all mix well. add little bit water for our gravy so that we can get a little bit gravy on later on. So no need to cook too long. Just add our crispy mantis meat inside and just give a nice mix. That's it. And sprinkle some spring onion on top. That's it. Our mantis prawn meat stir fry is ready to taste now. Hope you enjoy with my video. So next time you went for market, you got so mantis prawn, maybe you can buy and try to cook it. So please subscribe my channel if so like it, and give a thumbs and like. Don't forget to give me a comment, and see you in some other dish in some other day. So bye from Sharadah here. My cooking is almost done. Let me taste. I taste. Okay? I take some here. Looks so yummy. See? So delicious. My lifetime favorite food. It's very nice. Try to cook and taste it. It's very nice. Bye.